Morning, welcome back to my career. It's another day, another money making day, you guys. I'm so excited to start a new day, a fresh day, and welcome to this vlog, y'all. This vlog is all about spark driving. Ride along with me when I'm doing deliveries. Our first order of the day just came in right now. It's $16, 2 drops, 3 mile. Right now it's 7:40 a.m. you guys. 7:40 a.m. and let's start the day. Let's go take this order and go deliver it. For those people who don't know this platform, this Spark Driving, it's a Walmart, it's a Walmart app. We work for Walmart, but we are called Spark Driving. So if you ever want to work for Spark, go online and search Spark Driver, and you're gonna apply sparking in your area. You guys, there is money in Spark Driving. It depends on the area that you live in, but there is money. Whether you want to work for part-time, whether you want to work as full-time, whether you want to work for side hustle, like after your job, go in, work for 2 hours, 1 hour for that extra money. It's going to help. Weekends, if you don't do nothing in weekends, you can be doing this. You can be doing DoorDash. You can be doing any type of gig work that you want. There is a lot of gig work over here, you guys. You can be making money. Do not stay home if you're not doing nothing important. Go on the road and make money. Good, how are you? Yo, today's been very slow that I can never imagine. Imagine my first order was 7:40 and right now it's 12:40. I just received another one. It was so slow. Oh my god. But I didn't stay at Walmart. I went to my sister's house because she lived near Walmart. But my app was still on. So 12 something I came back at Walmart and that's when I just received this order, a shopping order. I think it was $11 for shopping order. I don't remember. I'm gonna put on a screen. Very slow. So it looks like it's about to pick up again. I just received another order after dropping that one. $19, 3 mile, 3 drops. I mean 5 mile, 3 drops. So let's go get it. We just received another order, $26, 7 miles. It's shopping order, y'all. We're shopping for 26 items. Let's go. You guys, we just got another order, $17, 2 drops and 6 miles. It's picking up. Oh my gosh. Today goes because it's been so slow. I want to get like 150 and it's Friday. So on Fridays I go home whenever I want. So my plan, since I didn't work in the morning, I can end my shift around 8. Yeah, around 8. So trying to get 150 around 8 p.m. That's my goal for today. At least 150. just went to this neighborhood. If I say $1 million neighborhood, it's this one here. It just motivates you to keep working hard, to never give up on your dream, to work harder, to work on your dreams. When you just look to this type of houses, my God. And I'm pretty sure they are $1 million houses. I'm pretty sure. I didn't show you guys the neighborhood because I don't know. So beautiful, so attractive. Gosh, let me keep grinding. I know one day that's gonna be my house. I know that one day I'm gonna live in $1 million house. You know, it's a dream. It's free to dream. You can dream. I can dream. So you are free to dream. What's your dream? Comment down below. What's your dream? Because that's my dream, yo. I need to keep working hard. They need to tell us the secret. What did they do? Huh? What did they do to reach that life, bro? Because these days, everything people are doing, hard to get there. But it is what it is. They said never give up, and that's my motivation there. They said never give up on your dream, and I will never give up on my dream. Anyway, I'm back to go wait for the order. I'm going to Walmart to have like 10 minutes to get to my Walmart. In my area we have like 5 Walmarts, but I only like to go to one Walmart, y'all. Other Walmarts, I think they are far away from me, like 15-minute drive. I don't want to go there. But if I get it in order while I'm in that area, yes, I take it. But if I receive an order while I am at my usually Walmart, I don't go there at all. But if I receive an order while I'm already in that area, yes, I will take that order. Because driving to pick up an order and driving to deliver an order, that's 2 different things. I would rather drive far to deliver an order than drive far to pick up an order and then drive again. Doesn't sit right with me right there. Received another order. I don't want to be vlogging in public because people are gonna think that I'm crazy. Anyway, $16. I think it was 2 miles, 3 miles, the shopping order. So grabbing a cart.